All right, we have. I'm excited about these. These are cactus fruits, prickly pears. These ones are. I'm gonna butcher this name. Xoconostle. And they grow on nopal cactuses, which are part of the Opuntia genus. I struggled to remember all those words, so enjoy those words.
Say away to our friends to see this and make fun of you.
The people that can pronounce them all correctly.
It's okay, you tried. That's all we can ask for. You did a great sweetie.
So we had the dragon fruit, and now we're gonna have a very different kind of cactus fruit. We had these once before, and they were like really small ones. So
yeah, they're like half the size of this, and we were like,
Yeah.
oh, okay, I guess.
Yeah, and these can actually get really huge. These are not. These ones we have here are not super huge either. I was doing a bit of research on these, and apparently, in some countries, they grow so prolifically that people just pick them wild and sell them in wheelbarrows.
That's the life.
For a living, I guess.
Yeah, prickly pear merchant. Gosh, Casey.
But there is a wide variety of flavors within prickly pears, similar to how there is within the dragon fruit.
Don't look at that. It's fine.
There it goes. So that one's kind of meaty. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there you go.
So there's the inside.
Oh boy,
What are you getting from it?
it's tart.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Oh boy.
It's very tart. It's like,
It's like a mango that's not ready.
what's the seed? It's very cranberry-esque. I like that. I like that a lot. Wow. 'Cause I like tart things. This is quite tart. So this one looks a little bit different. So I'm wondering if it's going to be different.
Okay. Give me, carrot.
We got these from a little Mexican market.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that they were probably grown pretty locally.
Probably.
Because like we live in Southern California, so these things grow all over the place. We see them on the side of the road.
For one, for this one's the color on the inside is different. It's don't look at it. Don't look at it.
I'm not holding.
Don't look at it. This one, instead of being green on the inside, is a little bit white. So maybe it'll be less tart.
Maybe.
I'm not sure. I went into this blind, like I do most things.
It's so good though.
Yeah.
Super tart. I like that. Because this one is a deeper shade of red. So that leads me to believe that this one is a more mature fruit despite it being smaller.
Less tart, but still there.
You know, I think
Oh boy.
it's kind of like a really tart, crisp Granny Smith apple.
Yeah, a bit like one of those little baby Granny Smith apples that are like this big.
Yeah. first one, I got more cranberry tones. This one, I was getting more like Granny Smith tartness tones.
And different levels of tart.
Yeah, but I love that. It was delicious.
Well, we have 2 more.
Yeah, we have more, and they were so incredibly affordable that we could just go and get handfuls of them.
My hands are so small.
Yes.
I was expecting a solution. I told my hands were small. I brought it up.
You'll grow into them. The tartness kind of sticks around. Like, I don't hate it either, but it sticks around a little
Oh
bit.
yeah, she's lingering.
So that was a prickly pear, cactus fruit. Delicious. And really cheap too. They were really affordable at the little Mexican market.
Yeah, if you go to just local places, most of the time your produce is going to be tastier and cheaper.
Yeah. Go to local places.